Is furnace repair covered by homeowners insurance? Your furnace just quit, and you're wondering if your homeowner's insurance will cover it. The answer? Sometimes, but not always. Let's break it down. In Murrieta, homeowners insurance may cover furnace repair or replacement if the damage was sudden and accidental, like fire, lightning, vandalism, or a burst pipe. But if your furnace stopped working due to age, lack of maintenance, or normal wear, that's on you. Insurance protects against unexpected events, not everyday breakdowns. Even though Murrieta's winters are mild, your furnace still needs regular maintenance. A seasonal tune-up helps prevent failures, keeps your energy bills low, and makes sure your system is ready when the temperature drops. If your furnace suddenly stopped working, call Airtime Heating and Cooling. We'll inspect the system, help you understand whether it's an insurance issue or a repair need, and get your home warm again fast.
Woo!